हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे लाइन टू लाइन फॉल्ट के बारे में। थ्री फेज सिस्टम में कहाँ होता है, कैसे होता है, एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फॉल्ट करंट्स एंड वोल्टेजेस उस टाइम पे क्या आता है। तो फॉर दैट कंसीडर अ थ्री फेज सिस्टम विच इज कनेक्टेड इन स्टार कनेक्शन like this. It have three phases R, Y and B. Okay, then this is its neutral point. It is grounded, denoted as N. Now the voltage, the phase induced EMF of R is ER, for Y it is EY, for B it is EB. Okay, so consider here fault occurs between lines B and Y. If fault is occurring here in Y and B, then what should be condition for fault? So first condition, it should be IR current should be 0. That means this line is open here, so its current will be 0. Second condition is what? These voltages have same voltage because both lines are connected to each other. So Vy will be equal to Vb. Okay. Next thing, the current flowing in Y line, it is Iy. In B line it is Ib. So from this figure you can say Ib current is just opposite of the Ib current. That means what is third condition? Iy plus Ib, it should be equal to 0. Okay, these are the three conditions which follows to raise this fault, line to line fault. Now how we will proceed further? So we know that any unbalanced voltage or current can be represented in terms of sequence voltage or currents, in balanced voltage or currents. Similarly, we know that how it is represented. If it is VR phase, Vy phase, Vb phase, how it is represented in terms of sequence voltages? It is V0 plus V1 plus V2. Vy is V0 plus A square V1 plus AB2. For this it is V0 plus AV1 plus A square V2. So these are the equations of line voltages, and for currents same thing we will write in terms of sequence currents. Okay, so for second equation, it is equation first, equation second, equation third. For second equation, what we can write? Vy is V0 plus A square V1 plus A V2, that is equal to Vb, that is V0 plus A V1 plus A square V2. What this means? V0 will be cancelled, and A square minus A V1 equal to A square minus A V2. So what we will get from this equation? Positive sequence voltage is equal to negative sequence voltage. Okay. Now next thing we will do same for the third equation. For this, when we put Iy, what it will be? Similarly like this, it will be I naught plus A square I1 plus AI2 plus IB value, that will be I naught plus AI1 plus A square I2 equal to 0. Okay. So from here what you will get? 2 I naught plus I1, that means A square plus A I1 plus A square plus A I2 equal to 0. Okay. So for calculating this equation, first we have to find out the zero sequence current. So as this was the equation, similarly its opposite means how we will found the sequence voltages from this line voltages. So for that its equation will be like this. If we are in this condition, we are just finding out the sequence, zero sequence current. So it will be I naught equal to 1 by 3 times IR plus IB, IY plus IB. So for this condition, IR is 0, IY plus IB is also 0, means what we will get here? I naught is 0. Okay. Now this value is 0 and all these values will be same. Now equating this, what we will get? I1 plus I2 equal to 0. That means positive sequence current is minus times of negative sequence current. Okay. Now let us calculate the value of the fault current. What is the fault current here? It is IY. So let us calculate fault current. Fault current is IY, which is equal to, in terms of this sequence terms, what we will write? It will be I naught plus A square I1 plus AI2. So here we know that I naught is what? It is 0 plus A square I1 we don't know here plus AI2. Okay. But what we know here, I1 I2 relation means what? I1 is equal to minus of I2, or you can say that I2 is equal to minus of I1. So here we can write minus of I1. That means this fault current is equal to this term. Now this thing, how we will calculate this? To calculate this thing, I1 current, first we will draw the impedance network of this three-phase system. So for line to line fault, first this is, let us consider it is a synchronous machine or generator. So for synchronous machine, this positive sequence component always contains its induced EMF. If we are considering R phase as the reference phase, so we will make this positive sequence for R phase. Now this is the positive sequence. Then come to the negative sequence. It have impedance of Z2, and what will be voltages? Sequence voltage, positive sequence voltage will be V1 here. For this its voltage will be V2. Now you know that V1 is equal to V2. That means it should be connected parallel. Okay. Now from this diagram, if here positive sequence current is I1, negative sequence current is I2, so from this diagram we can conclude that what is I1? It is ER upon Z1 plus Z2. Okay. Now what we can say here? IY fault current is what? It is A square minus A ER upon Z1 plus Z2. Okay. Now this value is A square minus A. So we know that what is A? A is minus 0.5 plus J 0.866 and A square is minus times of this. Okay. When subtract this to this, we will get what? Basically A square minus A is equal to, this will be cancelled out and both these will be minus times of J 0.866. Sorry, it will be added 1.723, means this value is minus J root 3. So what we can write? Fault current IB is equal to minus times of J root 3 ER upon Z1 plus Z2. So this is the fault current. And what will be IB? IB is minus of IY. It will be same. Now come to the point phase voltages. Phase voltages. How we will calculate this? What are the phase voltages? That are VR, VY, VB. How we will calculate? We just put these sequence voltages in these equations, so we can get this. Now what we have now? We have V1, V2, but we don't have V1, V2 in terms of ER or in terms of sequence impedances. So from this diagram, first you have to calculate V1 and V2. So if we consider this circuit only, so what is it? It is showing, this is, if we make a small network like this, impedance Z1 with ER, and this is the terminal voltage V1. So applying, but current I1 is like this. When we apply KVL in this loop, what we will get? Minus V1 plus, not plus because I1 is in up direction. So it will be minus I1 Z1 plus ER. What this means? We will get V1 as equal to ER minus I1 Z1. Okay. Now we know that what is I1? I1 we have calculated this. Put this value here. It will be ER minus ER Z1 upon Z1 plus Z2. So when we will solve this, what we will get? E1 Z1 will be cancelled out. We will get here only Z2. Z2 ER upon Z1 plus Z2. This is the positive sequence voltage. Now come to the next sequence voltage. That is what? That is V2. How we will calculate this? Again, you will apply KVL for second impedance. Second impedance is negative impedance. So for that, if we make this small circuit, it have voltage of V2, current is in upside I2, this is Z2. So if we apply Ohm's law or KVL, you will say, so here what will be V2? It will be minus times of I2 Z2. Okay. And I2 is what? It is minus times of I1. So we will put it as I1 Z2. I1 what we know that it is ER upon Z1 plus Z2. So what we will get? V1 is equal to V2. And V0, if V0 have this sequence impedance and sequence current is I0. So what will be V0? It will be minus of I0 Z0. But we know that for line to line fault I0 is 0. That means 0 sequence voltage will be 0. Now come to the phase voltages. So what will be phase voltages? First phase voltage is VR. That is what? V0 plus A square V1 plus it is V0 plus V1 plus V2. So put all the values. V0 is 0 plus V1 is what? It is equal to V2. So we can write it is 2V1. That means 2 times of V1, that is Z2 E2 upon Z1 plus Z2. Next, Vy phase. Vy phase value is V0 plus A square V1 plus A V2. Here again V1 V2 is equal. So what we can write? A square plus A V1, which will be equal to A square plus A. V1 value is what? It is ER upon Z1 plus Z2. Now A square plus A, when we will add this value, what we will get? It is, this term will be cancelled and it will be minus of 1. That means it is minus ER upon Z1 plus Z2. Okay. Similarly, for B phase, it will be V0 plus A V1 plus A square V2. Again, it will be A plus A square V1. That means same ER upon Z1 plus Z2. Okay, something we are missing because V1 have Z2 term also. So what we will write here? Z2 also here. Yes. So these are the phase voltages Vy and Vr.